In this video, I will show you how to create a watermark in Canva. Open Canva and start with a blank canvas or choose one of your existing designs. Go to the text section on the left-hand menu. Click Add a heading and type in the text you want to use for your watermark. This could be your brand name, website URL, or any identifier. Resize the text by dragging the corner or adjusting the font size in the toolbar. Make it big enough to cover your design, but not so large that it overwhelms the main content. With the text still selected, click on the transparency option in the top right toolbar. Lower the transparency so that the text blends into the background, making it less obtrusive but still visible. A good range depending on your background color. To apply the watermark multiple times across your design, click the three dots in the toolbar and select Duplicate, or use the shortcut Ctrl+D, Windows or Cmd+D Mac. Position the duplicated watermarks across your design for better protection. For a subtler look, place them in the corners or edges of your content. You can make the watermark smaller or less prominent by adjusting its size and transparency further. Test different placements to find the right balance. You don't want it to overpower your design, but still want it noticeable enough to deter unauthorized use. Once your watermark is in place, save or download the design as needed. If you plan to share the design as a preview, this is a great way to prevent others from using it without permission.